12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
SVA.
Central Daylight Time. Source.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 293, effective until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
0 people.
This watch includes the following counties: in Kentucky, Allen and Monroe, and the following counties: in Tennessee, Clay, Davidson, Jackson, Macon, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, and Wilson. Remember,
YouTube.
a severe
Now,
thunderstorm
uppercut.
watch
Top threatens
means
parameter
the
5
conditions
channel.
are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions
0 people.
and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In Nashville at noon.